Welcome aboard the U.S. History Train, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so glad you could join me this semester. I will be your conductor. My name is Mr. McRill, and we'll be traveling through time together here throughout this semester. And as we get going, I want to cover 3 important details that will be helpful for you in getting started and off to a good start in this class. So number 1, let's talk about live class. Man, I hope that all of you guys can join me for most, if not all of our live classes. But Mr. McRill, when will those be? Well, that's a great question. Live class is going to be Monday and Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 2 to 3. 2 to 3. So you get to end your day with Mr. McRill. I can't think of a better way to end your school day. 2 to 3, folks. Now, we're not going to use all of that time for live class. We'll probably spend about 40 minutes in our class, and then I'll set you guys free to complete whatever assignments we might have for that day. All right, so that's number 1, live class, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Feel free to write that down on a visual schedule. Keep it by your computer. Again, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Next up, we've got the modules. What's a module, Mr. McRill? Well, the modules, you'll see it on the left side of our class page. Let me see here. Am I pointing in the right direction? I think it's going to be right over here. On the left side of the class page, you'll see modules, and that's where you're going to click to get to all of your coursework. Everything that you'll ever need to complete for a grade will be on the modules page. And you're going to see the modules will be broken up into weeks. There'll be week 0, then week 1, week 2, week 3. So that's how you'll know what stuff you should be working on each week. So you'll see there's an assignment waiting for you in week 0, a getting to know you assignment. That'll be the first thing you complete for this semester. Next up, and lastly, we've got the weekly agenda. So on the class homepage, you'll want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. And if you can make it to the bottom of the page, and I know you can, there's a weekly agenda spreadsheet. It's a visual display of what is going on in class Monday through Friday. It shows you day by day what we're covering in live class and what assignment you should be working on each day of the week. So every successful student in this class is going to want to check out that weekly agenda at the bottom of our class page. All right, that's all the details I have for you right now. I think you guys are ready to get going. So how about it, folks? Let's get this U.S. History train moving, and I can't wait to see you guys in the live class. Here we go.